So at Sims, it's really important to us not just to understand the changes in our marine environment, but we want to enhance and restore the marine environment. So our Living Seawalls project is a perfect example of that.
Thanks, Peter, and welcome everyone to our beautiful Sawmillers Reserve. So we've got 72 tiles over this way and 36 over this way. And the interesting thing is I'm looking over there and I can see already that there's changes to the surface of the tiles.
This is a really exciting initiative, and happy you're all here today to share this lovely occasion with us. Thank you.
Sydney Harbour is the initial site of European settlement in Australia, and so for many, many years the harbour has been subject to human pressures, one of which has been the reclamation of land and the construction of seawalls, which now cover over 50% of our shoreline. The downside is that these structures support reduced biodiversity as compared to the natural shorelines that they replace. What we're doing now is actually scaling up this proof of concept research to much larger scales.
One of the designs that we have is this tile here that mimics rock pools, and rock pools are important features that we see constantly on rocky shores and support a wide variety of diversity that's usually missing from the flat rock. This is a way to increase the type of microhabitats we have on these seawalls.
What we want to know is we want to monitor how do these different tile designs perform, and also, as Mel mentioned, we have different scales of installation here. So how many tiles do we need? Do we need to have a lot of tiles to see a benefit, or can we use just a few tiles to see positive ecological outcomes with this type of retrofitting? The world is increasingly urban, so we're really concerned about the kinds of built infrastructures going into the environment. And that's not just seawalls, that's things like pilings and pontoons. So we're interested in how we can extend some of this science and these designs into different kinds of structures that are getting put out into the water.
You know, this has the potential to be a truly transformative technology globally. There are thousands, maybe even millions, that's not too much hype, of kilometers of seawall across the world. So, you know, today, Sawmillers Reserve, tomorrow, Sydney Harbour, and the day after tomorrow, the world. So thank you for being here at the very beginning of it.